In this quick video, I'm going to show you my trick to remove very seized and deformed bolts using wrenches. So as you can see over here, these bolts are pretty fucked up. I actually made those dents there. There. I don't know what that one looks like. And what I do is, the actual bolt size is 1/2 inch. And if you try to use 1/2 inch, as you can see, it's so worn out by rust that it's too small. That the bolt head is too small. So what I do is I keep moving a size down, and then I'm using this punch, so I'm actually using a 7/16 here. But from 1/2 inch, I'll try 13 millimeter, and then if that doesn't work, I'll go to a 12 millimeter, and then if that's still too big, I'll go all the way to a 7/16. And then I use this as a punch here with a sledgehammer to hammer it, really force it on the head of the bolt, and then it moves. Then I use a big pry bar, and then that's what I do. So on this one, example, this one's